Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and it's time for Triple Play Saturday. Now listen guys, I got a nice lineup for you all. Make sure you don't miss not one round. We're gonna start it off with round one. Hopefully this is a good weekend and the sun is shining, no rain in sight. And if so, listen, if you're gonna spend time with family, enjoy, have fun. If you're gonna be going out on a Saturday night, listen, again, enjoy, but be safe. And party like it's 1999. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome back to Triple Play Saturday, and this is round one. All right, we got a giveaway going on as well. We got one for Canada, we got one for the US. Remember, comment down below in order to participate in this giveaway. And with that, let's kick this review off. Listen, guys, we got another one by PW, and PW has been doing his thing. And the name of this watch face is called PW56 Gear Sport. Now, I like the layout of this watch face. I love when developers separate the information. I can see it a lot better. The layout looks a lot better. And then always on mode, he gives you all the important information you can ever need in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, let's have a look at this. First of all your step activity is in one area. Everything is right at the top. From miles walked or ran, steps, heart rate, you get animated seconds. You also get floors climbed and calories burned. And it looked like I climbed the floor. Not bad, right? All right, so you also get your digital time in the middle. You come over, you got battery info. You got your goal completed. I only completed 22%. I haven't really been wearing the watch. My watch broke down on me. And down at the bottom, you get your date, your day, and you get the year, and you get two of the things that I think are very vital to a smartwatch, for me anyway, and that's music, and it is an active. So if you tap on it, it'll take you right into it. Same thing for the weather. It's raining in my area. Hopefully it clears up and I get some sun tomorrow out here. Right now, it is an active, as you can see down at the bottom. Now, let's take a look at something that I thought was very creative, very nice. So I'm going to double tap. Let's do the top. I can turn it black. So you can customize the two areas of the watch face. Just double tap. Voila, beautiful. Or you can make it all red. That's going to depend on you. Just continue to cycle through. Just change it at will for whatever you want it to be. I thought this was very awesome. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. And yes, he is going to get 4 thumbs up for this one. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I think this is a go. I think it is a definite download. I think it is worthy of having in your lineup. But you be the judge. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And let me know if you're going to go download it. All right, you all. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. I hope you have fun. Enjoy family and friends, outing, cookouts. Put some brats on the grill for me if you're going to be barbecuing this weekend. All right, you all. This is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.